think of aviation. Don't think of aviation as this big aircraft with turbine engines and helicopters and reciprocating engines. This technology is cool. I had the chance to fly a Leah in Norway.
Good.
And it was just
How
the
was
highlight
that?
of my aviation career.
Wow.
What an amazing sensation of flying an electric aircraft.
Yeah.
And then couple it with the beauty of Norway. I flew right over a Disney cruise ship that was at Stavanger Airport, Stavanger Marine Port. That was just ironic to see that.
Yes, indeed. Actually, I got a good story about the 250, the Beta 250. I actually did a simulator for the eVTOL part.
Mm-hmm.
So I don't have a pilot license, but I know how to, I understand how to fly. I'm a drummer, so I know how to use all four parts of my body differently, right? So, taking off, fine, no problem. Then go right into wing mode, and that's all fine until I come back and I try to aim for that.
It's tough.
That vertipad, poof, overshoot. I'm like, well, that's kind of weird. So I come back and I try to go a little slow, poof, and overshoot. I'm like, duh, I got to get back into helicopter mode, VTOL mode here. And I crawl, and boom, and I landed. And I thought, wow, how spectacular. Whether you're a helicopter pilot or you're a fixed wing pilot, or both, you get to learn something totally new, and you get to do both at the same time. Every time you fly these aircraft, it's really, and I'm assuming same thing with eSTOLs, because now we're really in between the fixed wings and rotary propellers kind of thing. So yeah, that's well, rotary propellers, aren't they all rotary propellers? Rotary wings, I meant.
Yeah, the skill sets are going to be different than they are the old stick and rudder thinking.
Yep.
Is different. The control systems are slightly different between each aircraft.
Yep.
But the technology is so advanced, and it's gonna really open up opportunities and reduce the level of bar of entry, the cost specifically for more people to get into it. I think it's going to be really an interesting opportunity.
I agree.
And I think we'll be using POS for a long time. I do believe in autonomous, but I think we'll be having POS.
Oh, yes. Oh, yeah. It's funny because we're designing right now curriculum for drone pilots, for pilots and all of that good stuff.
Mm-hmm.
But yes, it's going to take a long time before we have Whisk fully autonomous and everything. And we're glad these guys are doing it because it's heading in that direction one way or the other. But look at our cars. I mean, it's the same thing everywhere. Look at boats, Transocean. It's just, that's the way to go. But right now, no, we're going to have people. And these people, by the way, are going to come out of the aircraft. They're going to go down and they're going to still be remotely flying.
Be remotely piloting and controlling,
Yeah, it's nothing happens in one big gulp like that. David, thank you so much for being with us
today.
It was
my pleasure. I'm glad we got together.
It was very enjoyable as always, and always an open invitation to have you back at any time.